I want to thank you all for taking time out of your day to be here with us. Alexandra has already told me she's a little bit nervous, but I just want to read you, before we get started with the interview, Alexandra, I just want to read you something. And this is paraphrase. It says, this student is an exceptional employee, an undergraduate student who routinely outperforms expectations. She has recruited employees and volunteers for the department's various efforts and has proven instrumental in planning and executing events in a leadership role. She has been described as friendly, effective, competent, driven, and reliable. This student is also highly involved in the community outside of the workplace and classroom, showing involvement and or leadership roles in a long list of organizations. So, Alexandria, I want to say that I misled you. You're not doing an interview. You have been selected as the 2012 Campus Student Employee of the Year.
Yay!
Congratulations. Wow. Wow.
Well deserved.
Thank you.
So now you can breathe. And, you know, we couldn't figure out any other way to do this. I wanted you to still be surprised. I also wanted your nominators to be here to share in this event with you. Amy and Cordula both nominated you, and they think very highly of you. And as I said, what I read was just a synopsis of what they wrote, but I think we all get a good idea of what they feel about you as a student employee and with your contribution to their office. So again, congratulations.
Congratulations. Yay.
Thank you so much.
You will get a $500 award.
Wow.
Yes. We'll get a plaque.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Alex. Totally deserved.
Have a great week, everybody, and congratulations again, Alexandra.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
With
Alex.
you.